Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable Chrome third-party sign-in on your PC. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your privacy and prevent unwanted sign-in prompts. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right corner of the Chrome window, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on it to access the Chrome menu. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings near the bottom of the list. Step 4. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down or use the search bar on the left to find Privacy and Security. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Security section, locate and click on Site Settings. Step 6. Now, you'll see various options. Look for and click on Additional Content Settings. Step 7. Among the additional content settings, find and click on Third-Party Sign-In. Step 8. Finally, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Block Sign-In Prompts from Identity Services. Click on it to disable third-party sign-in prompts. That's it. By disabling Chrome third-party sign-in, you can prevent unnecessary sign-in prompts and protect your privacy. Enjoy a more streamlined and secure browsing experience. Enhance your privacy and eliminate unwanted sign-in prompts. Follow these steps to disable Chrome third-party sign-in on your PC. Enjoy a more secure browsing experience. Happy surfing.